Never listen to your friend whenever they say that they're gonna not go to sleep. I think we should wake her up. Yeah.
Fuck you! You want me to pee my pants? That's really not funny.
You said you weren't gonna go to sleep.
I said I wasn't gonna sleep here. Shut the fuck up.
I'm just laughing.
Yeah, 'cause you scared the piss out of me.
Oh my god. You get mad.
You'd be pissed too.
No, I wouldn't.
Bitch. Yeah, you would.
No, I would not. I don't get mad.
Sorry, I'm not fucking perfect.
Okay. Funny prank turned into a disaster.